Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have endless energy, laser-sharp focus, and an almost superhuman ability to recover from workouts? What if I told you that there's a way to unlock your body's full potential? Welcome to the fascinating world of biohacking. But wait, what exactly is biohacking? Is it just another health trend? Or could it actually change the way we live our lives? Stick around as we dive into this intriguing topic and discover how you can start your own biohacking journey today. So, what is biohacking? At its core, biohacking is about taking control of your biology. It's the practice of using science and self-experimentation to optimize your body and mind. Sounds exciting, right? But how do we do that? Let's break it down. Biohacking can include anything from changing your diet and exercise routines to using technology and supplements. Have you ever tried changing your sleep schedule or experimenting with different diets? What worked for you? There are several types of biohacking. Let's explore a few. First up is nutritional biohacking. This involves tweaking your diet for optimal health. Have you heard of intermittent fasting or the ketogenic diet? These are popular methods that many biohackers swear by. And finally, there's lifestyle biohacking, which focuses on habits and routines that enhance your daily life. Do you have a morning routine that sets you up for success? What if small changes could lead to big results? Now, let's talk about the science behind biohacking. It's not just about guesswork, it's rooted in research. For instance, studies show that certain supplements can enhance cognitive function. Have you ever tried nootropics? What was your experience like? Biohackers often rely on data tracking their sleep patterns, heart rates, and even mood changes. Do you think keeping a health journal could help you identify patterns in your own life? So, how can you get started with biohacking? Here are 3 simple steps. Start with nutrition. Experiment with different diets or meal plans. What foods make you feel energized? Track your progress. Use apps or journals to monitor changes in your body and mind. What metrics would you like to track? Stay curious. Read books. Biohacking is all about empowerment, taking charge of your health and well-being. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Watch documentaries and connect with other biohackers. What topics are you most interested in exploring? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on optimizing your life through biohacking. And leave a comment below sharing what aspect of biohacking intrigues you the most. Until next time, stay curious and keep hacking your biology. This script aims to engage viewers by asking questions throughout the video while providing valuable information on biohacking for beginners. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.